Hello, now you'll be telling every answer of the exercises. Okay. Um, dermatologist is specializes in this of the skin. Rheumatology specializes in disease of the joints. Traumatologist specializes in accident and emergency medicine. A pediatrician specializes in disease affecting children. Uh, obstetrician specializes in managing pregnancies. Okay, five 5.2. A specialty practitioner practice consultant consultation. A assistant assistance graduation qualification. 5.3 specializes in working with, interested in, specializes in, good with. 5.4 consulting rooms, general practitioner, group practice, health center, internal medicine, surgical specialties. 6.1 associate specialist, house officer, on call, provisional diagnosis, radio payer, and ward room. 6.2 1 to C, 2 to D, 3 to A, 4 to E, 5 to B. False, true, true. 6.3 false, true, true. 6.4 shift, admission, clerk, round, test, discharge, and foundation. And 7.1 midwife, clinical support worker, nursing auxiliary, staff, health visitors, change district ward clerks. 7.2 carry out procedures, change dressing, check the temperature, give an injection, remove sutures. 7.3 to perform, was performed, be performed, perform, be performed, performed. 7.4 to carry out, have been carried out, was carried out, be carried out, 8.1 ambulance technician, artificial limb, club foot, contact lens, health professionals, intraocular pressure, occupational therapist, social worker. 8.2 social worker, orthotist, opticians, prosthetist, occupational therapist, therapist. 8.3 amputation, 1 amputation, 2 limb, 3 therapist, 4 rehabilitation, 5 splints, 6 deformity, and 7 relief. 9.1 admit, but admission, assessment, discharge, operation, reference, and treatment. 9.2 acutely ill, assessment unit, on duty, referral letter, waiting list. 9.3 intensive care unit, surgical heart dependency unit, day surgery unit, X-ray department, and gynecology. 9.4 clinic, treatment, test, department, refer, admit, day, and discharge. 10.1 prescription charge, house bond, appointment, locking, out or of hours. 10.2 change dressing, make appointments, perform minor surgery, refer a patient, run a clinic, supervise staff, and take massages. 10.3 midwife, physiotherapist, receptionist, practice nurse, district nurse, health visitor, practice manager. 10.4 surgery, appointment, reception, visits, reception, prescriptions, prescription, referrals, and all. 11.1 undergraduate, postgraduate, foundation program, undergraduate, continuing professional development. 11.2 elective, problem by based learning, lectures, clinical attachments, student select modules, cadavers, medical school, consultant, collage, seminar. 11.3 overseas elective, problem based learning, dissection, clinical attachment, clinical skills, student selected model, 12.1 demonstrate, supervise, deliver or probe it, take, assess. 12.2 1 to D, 2 to H, 3 to F, 4 to B, 5 to G, 6 to C, 7 to A, 8 to C. 12 to point 3, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, Fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons of England, Fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons of Ireland, a Bachelor of Medical Sciences, Doctor of Medicine, member of the Royal College of Physicians, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, a Fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons, a Bachelor of Medicine, Doctor of Medicine, Fellow of the Royal College of Physicians. Uh, 13.1 Provisional Registration, Limited Registration, Full Registration, Specialist Registration. 13.2 General Medical Council, a Professional and Linguistic Assessment Board, Objective Structured Clinic Examination, Airways Breathing Circulation, Certificate of Complement Training, and finally, 13.3 Limited Registration, GMC, PLAB, Stations, registration, full registration, CT, Specialist Registration.